Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making one of the breakfast classics, fluffy pancakes. These pancakes are light, airy, and perfect for starting your day off right. To start, in a large bowl, we're going to whisk together 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. In a separate bowl, we'll whisk together 2 eggs, 1½ cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we'll combine the wet and dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Next, we'll heat up a nonstick pan on medium heat and brush it with a little bit of melted butter. Using a 1/4 cup measuring cup, we'll scoop out our pancake batter and pour it onto the pan. We'll let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. Repeat this process until all your batter is used up. And there you have it, fluffy pancakes that are perfect for any breakfast occasion. Serve with your favorite toppings, maple syrup, berries, or whipped cream and enjoy. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes.